This is me, Nadia Rajput from Desi TV USA. Let's have a look at the headline. Iran says new US aggression will result in stronger response. US President Donald Trump said on Monday he halted a planned military strike on Iran after urgent appeals from Gulf Arab leaders. Iran's Revolutionary Guards said on Monday that fiber optic internet cables passing through the Strait of Hormuz could be brought under a permit system. The US Treasury on Monday extended by 30 days its sanctions waiver for Russian oil cargoes already at sea. Let's look into details. Iran says new US aggression will result in stronger response. Spokesperson for the Iranian Parliament National Security Commission, Ebrahim Razaei, stated on Tuesday that any new aggression against Iran will be met with a stronger response and will make Trump even more ashamed, according to X post by Iranian state broadcaster. The Americans must either surrender to diplomacy and our conditions or surrender to the power of our missiles. Responding to a question on Iran creating the Persian Gulf Strait Authority to administer shipping in the Strait of Hormuz, UN spokesperson Farhan Haq has said it doesn't want any particular entity to restrict freedom of access to the strategic waterway. Ultimately, for us, we want to make sure that there is no constraint to freedom of navigation on the high seas and on the Strait of Hormuz, Haq said. Trump says he paused attack on Iran signals a nuclear deal may be possible. US President Donald Trump said on Monday he had paused a planned attack against Iran after Tehran sent a peace proposal to Washington and that there was now a very good chance of reaching a deal limiting Iran's nuclear program. US President Donald Trump said on Monday he halted a planned military strike on Iran after urgent appeals from Gulf Arab leaders, while warning that Washington remains prepared for a large-scale assault if diplomatic efforts fail. In a post on his social media platform Truth Social, Trump said he had been contacted by senior regional leaders seeking time for negotiations aimed at securing a nuclear agreement with Tehran. He said the leaders were optimistic about a deal. Trump said that he was asked by the Emir of Qatar, Tamim bin Hamad Al Thani, Saudi Crown Prince Mohammed bin Salman, and United Arab Emirates President Mohammed bin Zayed Al Nahyan to hold off on our planned military attack, which was scheduled for tomorrow. Trump said serious negotiations are now taking place and that in their opinion, as great leaders and allies, a deal will be made which will be very acceptable to the United States of America as well as our countries in the Middle East and beyond, he added.
मरियम को ईद हमेशा ईद की तरह महसूस नहीं होती जब तक कि आप जैसा कोई उसके साथ खुशी का लम्हा या कुर्बानी का खाना न बांटे। लेकिन वो अकेली नहीं है। दुनिया भर में कई खानदान ऐसे दिन का इंतजार करते हैं। अल्लाह ताला का इरशाद है कि अल्लाह तक न उनका गोश्त पहुंचता है न खून, बल्कि उस तक तुम्हारा तकवा पहुंचता है। आपकी कुर्बानी के जरिए हेल्पिंग हैंड खाने के अलावा लोगों की परवरिश, देखभाल और वकार का ख्याल करता है। इस ईद पर अपनी कुर्बानियाँ हेल्पिंग हैंड से बुक करें।
Iran's Revolutionary Guard said on Monday that fiber optic internet cables passing through the Strait of Hormuz could be brought under a permit system as Tehran announced the formation of a new body to manage the key waterway. The strait through which about 20% of global oil supplies pass is currently a flashpoint amid tensions between Iran and the United States linked to the wider regional conflict. A Chinese ceasefire announced on April 8 still holds, but the broader peace process remains stalled. Following the imposition of control over the Strait of Hormuz, Iran, citing its absolute sovereignty over the bed and subsoil of its territorial sea, could declare that all fiber optic cables passing through the waterway are subject to permits. Simultaneously, on Monday, Iran's Supreme National Security Council announced on its official X account the formation of the Persian Gulf Strait Authority, saying it would provide real-time updates on operation and developments in the strait. The US Treasury on Monday extended by 30 days its sanction waiver for Russian oil cargoes already at seas as global energy prices continue to surge due to the Iran war. The latest temporary 30-day general license will provide the most vulnerable nations with the ability to temporarily access Russian oil currently stranded at sea. Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent said in a social media post, Monday announcement is the second time U.S. authorities have extended the temporary measure, which is meant to address oil supply shortages sparked by the U.S.-Israel war on Iran. Iran's retaliatory action has targeted U.S. regional allies and virtually blocked the Strait of Hormuz, through which roughly a fifth of the world's oil and gas supplies normally pass. Global oil prices have spiked since the start of the war, with U.S. consumers feeling the pinch of gasoline costs that are more than 50% higher than when the war began. That's all for now. Keep watching Desi TV USA. Please like, subscribe, share, and comment. And don't forget to watch our channels DTV NN and Desi Urdu TV.
मरियम को ईद हमेशा ईद की तरह महसूस नहीं होती जब तक कि आप जैसा कोई उसके साथ खुशी का लम्हा या कुर्बानी का खाना ना बांटे। लेकिन वो अकेली नहीं है। दुनिया भर में कई खानदान ऐसे दिन का इंतजार करते हैं। अल्लाह ताला का इरशाद है कि अल्लाह तक ना उनका गोश्त पहुंचता है ना खून, बल्कि उस तक तुम्हारा तकवा पहुंचता है। आपकी कुर्बानी के जरिए हेल्पिंग हैंड खाने के अलावा लोगों की परवरिश, देखभाल और वकार का ख्याल करता है। इस ईद पर अपनी कुर्बानियाँ हेल्पिंग हैंड से बुक करें।
Neurological care is a pressing healthcare challenge in Pakistan. That's why Helping Hand USA is building Kind R, a world-class hospital with 130 plus clinics that is set to establish new standards for neurological care in Pakistan. As the first phase nears completion, anticipation is growing for the launch in the second half of 2025. Give zakat and sadaqah through Helping Hand USA today and join this historic endeavor to redefine future healthcare in Pakistan.